Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover basic English for work meetings. Whether you're attending meetings in person or online, knowing the right phrases will help you communicate clearly and confidently with your colleagues. Let's go over some essential phrases and expressions that you can use during work meetings. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. Hi, I'm your name, and I'm excited to join today's meeting. Shall we get started? In my opinion, we should. I believe that this approach will work best. I'd like to suggest that we. Could you explain that again, please? I didn't quite understand.
Can you clarify that?
Can you give an example? I completely agree with you. That's a great point. I see your point, but I understand, but I have a different perspective. What do you think about this idea? Does anyone have any suggestions? Can we hear your thoughts on this? To summarize, we've decided to. Thank you, everyone, for your input today. Let's schedule our next meeting for day/timed. With these phrases, you'll be able to participate confidently in work meetings and communicate clearly with your colleagues. Practice these expressions in your next meeting, and you'll feel more comfortable sharing your ideas and engaging with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!